And now I need to download driver Canon Pixma. This here is serial. Type Canon. You type here the driver download, and please wait. I am search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to work. For official website, and this here for official website. Click here. Okay, you scroll down. You click the driver. Select driver. This here for the your operating system. Operating system detect your automatic your operating system, and select here your operating system. This here for all operating system. For operating system Mac 12 Live and Mac 11, and this here for the Windows 8, Mac 8, and this here for Windows 11 and Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9.7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Windows Server support. This here for the Linux support and the Chrome OS support. Okay. Step one, I am sure for you for driver Mac left, and select here driver Mac left, and this here for the driver update will be automatic your operating system. This here for the tech automatic your operating system for Mac left for the driver, and this here for the software for the Mac left. Select your operating system Mac left. This year for the recommended operating system for the Mac Life, you're looking the release update, and this here for the individual software Wi-Fi connect assistant, your uh, your operating system Mac Life, and then this here for the easy photo print editor for the Mac Life, and printer assistant tool, and printer registration for the Mac Life. Okay, for the firmware, not support for the firmware for the Mac 12, and I'm sure for the Linux driver, Linux software, and this is for the easy photo print Linux software and Wi-Fi connect system, your Linux operating system, the software, and the driver for Linux, like here for Linux driver. This support for print, EJ printer driver for the Linux Debian package. You look in the release update, and your operating system for Linux and language English, French, and Chinese driver. And this is for RPM package for the Linux driver, and this is for the language for the Linux driver, and this is for operating system for Linux driver. This video I need to load driver Windows 11, and you select here for the driver Windows Windows 11. Select here driver Windows 11, and this white. This is for the software for the Windows 11, and this is for recommended for you your package for the Windows 11. This is here for support your download and install driver needs setup product. This here for the software to install software and product functionality. This here for the recommended for you. You support your for the Wi-Fi, support for the scanner. This you support the printer. This here for recommended for your driver. This year for serial, you look in the release update. This year for the new release update, and here release update you download here. This here for scan functionality your product for the scan driver recommended, and this here for individual driver. You look into this update. You look in the your operating system support and language support. I'm looking the software for the Windows 11. Windows 11. This here for the software for the Windows 11 and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi Connect Assistant for the Windows driver. This here for easy photo print panel tool for the Windows 11 and printer assistant and printer registration for the Windows 11. Okay, this here for much support your Windows 11. This video I need a lot for the driver for the Windows 11, like your system Windows 11. This here for the printer and scanner driver functionality your product, and this here for recommended your product. I am recommended for you. You download here. Okay, download here, and this here for the new update your driver, and you download here and download, and the driver download. If you need install driver for the your printer, your turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and please wait to finish driver download. And if you finish driver download, you double click, and this here for is extract uh, your driver download, and you click next and finish this here for detect automatic your cable USB printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download, below description the video. Below description the video. Thank you for watching.
Okay guys, come back my channel, and now uh, I am toolkit the printer, yeah, the printer Epson, and printer Epson paper jam. You're looking the serial Epson serial. If you printer paper jam is a, I am recommended your 3 step, and step 1 your